Welcome to Nava Disha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down fine-tuning. It's an important idea in LLM. So, what is fine-tuning? Fine-tuning adapts a pre-trained LLM to a specific domain, task, or writing style. It's one of the core ideas in LLM. Here are the key things to know about fine-tuning. First, full fine-tuning updates all parameters, compute-intensive. Also, PEFT methods, LoRA, adapters, update small fraction efficiently. Another key point, datasets, instruction pairs, human preferences, RLHF. On top of that, catastrophic forgetting mitigated by merging or continued pre-training. Finally, cloud platforms, HF spaces, Vertex AI, simplify fine-tuning workflows. And that's fine-tuning in simple terms. Come back for another LLM concept tomorrow.